Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Sunil. Today we are going to learn English workshop of An Epitome of Courage from 10th Standard English book. Before that, I request you to subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon. Therefore, you will be notified as soon as I upload a new video. Warming up. A strange truth. Handicapped are those who refuse to take up challenges even with all their senses and psychology in perfect condition. Understand and discuss the above truth. How can you encourage such people to change and become confident? Discuss at least 4 to 5 ways you can do the above. Even if having physical fitness, some people don't accept any challenge. They refuse to take up any challenge. Such people must be called handicapped. Generally, handicapped are the people having some physical or mental disabilities. But in spite of all kind of fitness, some people run away from their duties, never accept any new work on their own. Those are handicapped in true sense, I think. Some people are not confident and suffer from low esteem. One of the nicest things you can do is to try and raise their confidence and make them feel better about themselves. Some ways to encourage such people. First, you must be enough confident yourself, it will reflect in them. Second, appreciate their uniqueness, qualities and efforts. Third, one great way to boost someone's confidence is to pass on compliments on them. Fourth, support their ideas, thoughts, actions if you liked them. Fifth, advise them about career, help them to improve their dress sense and style. Advise them to go to gym because if they look good and healthy, then they will feel good and healthy. First, there are pleasant and polite ways of referring to people with physical and mental disabilities. Fill in the table below. Previously used a term, new polite terms. First, blind, visually challenged, deaf, hearing impaired, dumb, speech impaired, mad, intellectual disabled, lame, physical disabled. Second, always be honest. Sumit, the son of a shoemaker, was a highly intelligent student in a municipal school. His maths teacher called him Einstein, for he was brilliant in maths. He loved maths. Sumit wanted to study further after SSC. However, he suffered from polio and made to stuck the field chair. But he studied well and scored good in 10th Commerce. His friends helped him much. He used to sit in his father's shoe shop in his pastime. Once, a person came there to polish his shoes and forgot his bag there. When Sumit noticed it in the evening, he opened the bag so that he could know about the owner. He found it, but also a file and bill papers. Just in a curiosity, he went on calculating the papers and found some major mistakes. At last, he found a phone number on the papers and called Mr. Shah, the great businessman, to pick up his lost bag. His servant collected the bag, but Sumit denied to take money, which he offered as prize. When Mr. Shah noticed the paper calculation corrected by Sumit, he himself came to visit him, inquired about him, and he adopted him for education purpose. Now Sumit is studying CA. He wants to become a well-known CA in country. He will succeed in his determination because where there is a will, there is a way.